You are going to love the 2014 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, trip computer, power windows, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.